This is John with WTI. And as I always have to be shooting videos for different angles for WTI, this is where Aureday tripod comes into place. And let me tell you directly what I like the most about this. It's the gooseneck that I can get these different angles, turn my phone into different places, and I can get pretty much any shot that I want easily without no problem with this sturdy and reliable tripod. And this is what I like the most because it's sturdy, it's easy to go and take it around with. You actually detach this gooseneck and you can pretty much take this anywhere. The hook, it's pretty strong. And the way that it's so versatile and at the same time tall, because sometimes I have to make videos while I'm standing up and I'm around 6'2", 6 something. So sometimes the tripods that I would use in the back, they were a bit short and I'll have to put them into higher surfaces. But this one, in this gooseneck, nah. Strong, durable, and the materials are very much high quality. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.